Yeah, so the court has ordered the setting aside of a subpoena issued against Mr. Chivayo because the court found that he is not a relevant or a compellable witness in respect of this matter. And anybody who has no relevance to the determination of this particular case is not a necessary or a compellable or a relevant witness. So on that account, the subpoena has been set aside with course as a measure or a mark of the court's displeasure at the abuse of these processes. And this also comes from a concession by the lawyers representing the accused that the subpoena was not necessary and that the subpoena was not relevant. So for those reasons, they tendered cost. It is a good concession from them and it is a good admission from them.
Who examined the certified reasons?
Well, you are summoned by the accused persons to lead evidence in the application for referral to the Constitutional Court. But as I have already indicated, summoning them to their case is not necessary, is not relevant, and is not does not aid their case in any way. So for those reasons, they consider that their subpoena ought to be set aside. As is the calling of any person who is not relevant to their case. It is not necessary and it is not relevant. And they are not anyone else who is equally not compellable where they are not necessary or a necessary witness to the second.
Was there any problem if you justified?
Of course, you can only testify if you are necessary or relevant to the progress of the case. If you are not necessary and you are not relevant, the whole world might as well come and testify on issues that they know nothing about. This is a matter in which Mr. Chivayo knows nothing about. He was completely unaware, was not given notice, was not given a summary of the case he has to testify on. There was basically nothing at all which brings him or brought him to court. So that's why I say it was not relevant. So, of course, he would not have testified on something he does not know anything about, something he has not been involved in, and he was never involved.